Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Welcome again to the Click Right math lesson, online math lesson, the most interactive math lesson online. Now, this evening, we have been changing the subject of the formula. Once the students understand this, it puts them at another level in math. All right. So they are going into Form 4. And this would really help them to be a little more proficient with math. It will be seen the teachers will want to know how they are so good because they are able to manipulate a formula very well. Now, I'm going to look at question G, which was part of the homework. And question, we are finding for x. And the question says x over n plus 2 equals w. Now we're finding for x. In other words, we are making x the subject of the formula. What are we doing, Faith? We are finding for what, Faith?
For x.
Right. So what's the first step we do, Faith? What would be line 2? My line 2.
The first step,
Uh-huh.
you will remove the plus sign and the 2
Very
to make
good.
it
So
x over
what would
n.
I get? Josiah, I hope you're hearing this. So what would we get?
You will put x over n,
Equal
the big space, equals 2,
W.
well, w, oh, let me see, over,
No, over.
no,
No,
wait,
no,
Answer?
no, not yet. Faith, if I want to get rid of 2, what must I do?
you must divide throughout.
No, no, no. If I want to get rid of 2, how do I get rid of 2?
Subtract it.
What do I do? What do I do? Shania, tell them. Tell Faith, Shania Gibbs. What do I do to get rid of the 2, Shania?
To get rid of the 2,
I would what?
you would take away
Take
2.
away 2. Very good. I take away 2. Faith, what do I do?
Take away 2.
Right, so I take away 2. Whatever you do on one side, Faith, you do on the
Next time.
So plus 2 minus 2 is 0. So we could just delete it. So it's x over n equal to w minus 2. Faith, do you understand that? What did I do? I got rid of the 2. Josiah, what did I do?
You go rid of the 2.
I got rid of the
2.
I got rid of the 2 by doing what?
By subtracting.
By subtracting what?
2.
2. Very good. So it was plus 2. And to get rid of the plus 2, I minus 2. I minus 2. So plus 2 minus 2 is 0. Plus 2 minus 2 is 0. So my new line would be x over n equals to w minus 2. Now listen carefully, everybody. We have 16 persons here. 1 person dropped off. Where's Tyrell Ross? Oh. Tyrell. Oh, where is Tyrell? Tyrell, you there? Good. After calling.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now I have x over n. Now you all watch out this. If I have 2 over 5, what must I multiply 2 over 5 to get? If I want to get rid of the 5, I have to multiply by 5. If I want to get rid of the 5, I have to multiply by 5. So I have x over n. Can people tell me what am I doing now? I have x over n.
Over n times n over 1.
Who just said that? Shadasha, good evening. Put on your mic because we tested the mic. Shadasha, good evening. Where is she? Shadasha Maraj, where is she? I saw her trying to get in. All right. Okay. I'm not seeing her again. So who said multiply by n? Donnell? Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful, Donnell. So people, here what I'm going to do. I have to multiply by n to get rid of n. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to write it in yellow. No, let me write it in pink for the girls. I'm writing it in pink for the girls. So I'm multiplying by n over 1. Whatever I do on one side, I also have to do it on. Here's Shadasha trying to get in again. All right, so I'm multiplying by n over 1. But watch at the, Josiah, look at the left-hand side. N into n1, n into n1. So I'm left with x. I'm left with x, people. So x is equal to, now this is from in mathematics, you write n multiply means using your brackets by w minus 2. Matthew, you okay with this? Tyrell Ross,
Yes,
you
sir.
okay with this?
Yeah.
Tyrell Ross, I am multiplying my n
Yes, sir.
by everything. So I
Mm-hmm.
have to use brackets.
Mm-hmm.
I have to use brackets to show that I multiplied my n by everything. Everybody take this down. Everybody
Just
take
once you
this
put
down.
brackets, it means
And you're going to do
multiply.
h. Everybody take this down and you're going to do h for me. Everybody take it down. Everybody take this down. Okay. Everybody took it down?
Yes,
Yes,
sir, I
sir.
took it.
All right. Right. So now that you all took this down, we want to do h. Josiah, did you take down g? How I have it?
Yes, sir.
All right. Tyrell Ross, did you take this down? How I have it on the board?
Yeah, I took a screenshot.
No. I don't. Excuse me, people, class. Please don't tell me about screenshots. Please. Take it down, please, Tyrell Ross. Write it, please. No, please.
Okay,
Please.
sir.
Please, thanks. I don't want anybody taking screenshots. I do not believe in screenshots, please. That's a pet peeve. You are writing the work down so that you could understand. You are writing the work down so you could understand. Do not take screenshots. Write it down. I am waiting so that we could do H. All right, somebody, Janaya already finished. So I am going to, all right, so people are sending their work. All right, so let me see what Janaya, easy. Take a bow. Well done, well done, Janaya. Well done. Correct. Take a bow. Kimani. Let's see what Kimani did. Well done, Kimani. Take a bow. Well done, well done. Very good, Kimani. Right, so Donnell, you have, if I was marking your work at CXC, you would have gotten it right. Right? So at CXC, because you showed me a working, you did not complete the last line. You didn't multiply by 6 in your last line. So Donnell, do it and send it back to me. Do it and send it back to me, please. Wow, Matthew, well done. Well done, Matthew. Samaya. What, Samaya? You're referring me back to what you did. And you did it correctly. Yes, Samaya. Well done, Samaya. What? Always know you to be a bright girl. Very good, Samaya. Next. Keep it coming, people. So I got work from Samaya, Janaya, and Matthew and Kimani. 4 persons. Waiting on the others. Waiting on the others.
So we're supposed to do H?
H, yeah.
Okay,
Tyrell
just
Ross, you
so.
wrote down G.
Yes,
Tyrell
sir, I did.
Ross, did you write down G?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful, beautiful. Josiah, did you write down G?
Yes, sir. I tell you, yes.
So, what is that?
I say yes, sir.
Oh, beautiful. Shadasha Mirage, did you write down what I have on the board? No.
Yes, I write it down.
Okay.
So wait, I'm going to send it to you.
No, I just want to make sure people had written down G. That was my concern. So now that you
No,
wrote down G, I'm writing H.
so do I do H by myself?
Yes, you're supposed to do H.
Good
There are some
morning.
persons who did H already. All right, Faith. No Faith. You have to wait, G. No Faith. No. You have to move your 5 first, Faith. Oh, you did it on the next side. Beautiful.
Oh,
Faith.
Sanate.
Yes, Faith, right. Yes, Faith, you're correct. You're correct, Faith.
Also,
Beautiful. I was looking at what you did earlier. So
sir.
you're correct.
Sir,
Yes.
yeah, Sanate.
You send it to my WhatsApp?
Is the one finding for, sir?
No, I ask, can I free after send it?
Yeah, you have to send it to me,
Okay.
Nicholas. Renicia. Yes,
Yes, sir.
Renicia. Well done. Well done, Renesia. Josiah, you multiply by 6 on one side, but you didn't do it on the next side. So I need you to show me that. Right? You need to show me, so you're not complete, Josiah. I would like you to do it exactly. So Josiah, the same way I did G is how I want you to do H. The multiplying by 6/1, I want you to put a new line. You're not writing across, you're writing vertical, down. So add it for me, Josiah. Nicholas. Correct, Nicholas. Very good. Very good. Where's Antonio? Duncan, you have a question? I see you have your hand up.
No, sir. I forget to take it down, sir.
Oh. Emmanuel, that's correct.
X plus
Donnell, you were to make some correction. You didn't send it back to me. Donnell, you were to make Isaiah. Isaiah didn't send any work to me yet. Isaiah, you didn't send any work to me.
I almost done with it.
All right, hurry up.
So I sent my answer in the Zoom chat, sir.
same, sir.
Kyla, that's correct. Duncan, you only sent an answer. I wanted to see your steps. I wanted to see what you did, step 1, step 2, step 3. Duncan, you have to get your phone so that you could send the pictures to me. I can't, I don't want to, I want to see your work, please. Duncan. Donnell. Yes, Donnell, that's correct. Still waiting on Isaiah. Where's Tishon? Tishon, you sent your work to me?
Sir, I just sent mine, sir, yeah.
Who is talking?
Nicholas.
Oh, Nicholas, yes, Nicholas, I said that yours is correct. So
Oh, I'm not
Josiah,
really hearing you, something
Alike,
else off.
Alike, you sent yours to me? Josiah sent back the same work to me, man.
Sir, I send you the working in your
No,
chat,
you're right,
sir.
but it's the same thing. All right, so the first thing that we have to do, people, is to add 5 because it's -5, so you have to add 5. So that will cancel off. This will cancel off because if I add 5, I have to add 5 on this side. So I'm erasing this because I added 5. So it's x over 6 is equal to w plus 5. Now, at this point is where some people, Josiah did not show me his work properly. So Josiah, watch carefully. So at this point, to get rid of this 6, Josiah, because I want to make x the subject of the formula, Josiah, I have to multiply by 6. I saw you doing that, but you have to do it like this. Yeah, we writing vertically, not horizontally across. I want it vertically. So if I multiply by 6, I have to multiply by 6 here. 6 into 6, 1, 6 into 6, 1. So we have x is equal to, because I'm left with x. This is x on this side, people, and it shows me this x here. That is what x is the subject of the formula. So the first thing, I got rid of 5. Then I got rid of 6. That is what it means to make x the subject of the formula. So x is equal to 6 multiplied by w plus 5. All right. Our time is up, so I'm going to take 2 minutes to show you something different. I'm going to take 2 minutes to show you something different. So I want everybody to pay attention to the following. What is this? Oh, okay, I know what it is now. All right, so I want everybody to pay attention to this. We're gonna only take 2 minutes, so I'm gonna set my phone. I want to introduce to you all indices. Indices means that I have a base. So this 2 is called the base. Raised to the power 4. This is called a power or index. All right, so this quantity has a base and a power. So the 4 is called a what? A power. The 2 is called a base. So let's do 1, 5. Josiah, what is the 3 called?
The 3 is called Howard tree.
It's called a what?
Power.
A power. A power. Tyrell Ross, what is the 5 called?
A power.
The 5. The 3 is the power. What is the 5
Oh, my
called?
bad. 5 is the base.
What is the 5 called?
The base.
I'm not hearing you.
The base. Oh,
The
5 is called the
5 is
base.
called the base.
Base.
The 5 is called the base, and the 3 is called the power. So 5 to the power 3 means 5 to the power of 3 means, I'm going to show you what it means. It means 5 times 5 times 5. What does it mean?
5 times 5 times 5. So
All
5
right. So
multiplied
Tyrell
by
5
Ross,
times itself 3
Tyrell
times.
Ross, what does 4 squared mean?
That's 4 by 4 by 4. Wait, no, that'll be 4 by 4.
4 by 4, which is
Yeah.
16. All right. 4 by 4, which is 16. Now, if I'm multiplying indices, we are only doing 2 this evening, multiplication and division. When we are multiplying indices, when we are multiplying indices, we must add the powers. So 2 to the 6 multiplied by 2 squared times 2 to the 3rd is equal to, we write in 2 only, 6 plus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 2 to the what power?
2 to the
Tyrell Ross,
power 9.
2 to the?
Power of 9.
No.
2 to the 9th power.
No, 6
To
plus
the
2
power of
plus
11.
11.
11. Sorry, 11.
All right, so take this down. Multiplying indices. Take this down. Do not take a screenshot. When we are multiplying indices, we must add the powers. When we are multiplying indices, we must do what?
What do you say? We must add the powers.
We must add the powers. We are writing that down, Tyrell Ross. You're writing that down, Tyrell Ross.
Yes, sir.
One more thing before we close off. One more thing before we close off. Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Tyrell Ross, can I erase?
Yes, sir.
You finish writing this down?
Yes, sir.
Dividing indices. When we are dividing indices, we subtract the power.
Subtract the powers.
Example. So you just write the 4 ones.
6 minus 2. So it's 4 to the power of 4.
4 to the 4th power. Now remember that the bases must be the same. The bases, Matthew, must be the same. So if I have x to the 6th power divided by y to the 4th power, no answer.
Oh, sir.
Because the bases are not the same. One is X and one is Y. The bases are not the same. One is X and one is Y. The bases must be the same for me to do the problem. So X to the 12 X to the 12 divided by X to the 10 power would be how much?
X to the power of 2.
Correct. Who said that?
Me, sir.
Who is
Josiah.
me?
Josiah.
Josiah.
All right, very good, Josiah. So it will be X 12 minus 10. Because I can do it because the bases are the same. Remember, the X's represent the bases, the 12 and 10 represents the power. So let's recap quickly. We spoke about multiplying indices. Once the bases are the same, you add the powers. Only when the bases are the same, you can add the power. When dividing indices, once the bases are the same, you subtract the power. That's it for today. Everybody wrote this down?
Yes, sir.
Shadasha, you wrote it
Yes,
down?
sir.
Shadasha. Shadasha.
I don't think she has, sir.
She's not here. Okay. All right, so everybody got this that are here?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All right,
sir.
so bye everyone. Have a good evening. See you all next week, Wednesday. The homework will come soon. If you have a friend who you want